Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Cut. So today we'll be working on what? Taper fade. We'll be working on taper fade. This one is going to be on high taper fade. Do you understand? We are going to work on this taper fade now. See how bushy the hair is, right? Please, if today is your first time to see my channel, you are welcome to this family. Make sure you subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. And like, comment, and share so that other people will benefit from it. See how bushy this hair is now. We are going to bring it down a bit before we start the taper fade. Do you understand? So please pay attention very well. Pay attention so that you understand what I'm saying, understand the processes I'm going to follow to get this haircut done. Do you understand? If you are not yet following me on TikTok, Facebook is the same name, High Universal Cut. Make sure you follow for more because you are going to learn a lot. Because this channel on my page, they are for what? Theory and practical. Do you understand? So let's dive into it. So after that's the clipper. The next thing you need to do is to use your what? Step what? Step. This is what? Step 3. I want to use it to bring this head down now. Do you understand? Before I will start. So watch how I'm going to do it. Put your clipper. Put it under skin. You put it so that you'll be able to carry the hair. This is a very bushy hair. Once you are bringing a bushy hair down, make sure you texture it very well. Follow it accordingly. Watch how the hair grows so that you follow it accordingly so that no part will be bigger than each other. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? So follow it accordingly. Take your time. Make sure you ask your client if the level is okay or not so that you don't go and waste much of your time in bringing the hair down. It will still, he or she will still tell you that the hair should come down. Do you understand? So Alpha, where is it come down? Alright? It's okay. Talk. Oh. This side is very, very bushy. Oh. Why it come down small? So he wants there to come down a bit. I use step 1 and step what? Step 1.5. See how I'm following it. You make sure you share this video. Let other people learn from it. Follow this accordingly. So you follow it accordingly. I don't want this video to be too long. Do you understand, guys? So let me just give us the hint. I'll just do this part so that you understand it because whatever you see that I do here is the same thing that I'll do to this side. So I don't want this video to be too long because a lot of us have that patience to watch longer videos. So let me just finish this side and start the taper fade. Please make sure you share so that other people can benefit from this video. Don't be stingy. Learning is inevitable. No matter how old you are, so far you are still living, you are still a learner. And no one knows it all. And if you see that once I start the taper fade, if you see whatever I'm doing that is not correct, please correct me. A teacher is also, do you know that the teacher is the greatest learner? But a lot of us don't know. So correct me too, please. Make sure you subscribe. Once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on. And before you comment that I should do this kind of hairstyle for you, check my playlist if I've done the hairstyle or not before. So I've gotten this shape right. So this is the level you want now. So the next thing we need to do now, let me start the taper fade so that you will see very well. Yo. So like this. So guys, let's go now. So I've gotten the level that I want the hair to be. So the next thing now we need to do now is to start the taper fade. You know how taper fade is. Before they started calling taper fade, we have been calling it side cut. Do you understand? Let me take my pen. Let me take my pen and start practicalizing it the way I normally do it. What is wrong with you? Sorry guys. So let me use my pen and start practicalizing the way I normally do it. So watch how I'm going to start it. You know, the first guideline. Now watch. You see some person that will come to your salon, they want to barb taper fade, but they don't have that taper fade shape very well. Now look at this hair now. Can you see that there is not much hair here? Not that there is not much hair. This person doesn't have hair here. Can you see? Can you see where his own hair starts from? Can you see it? So now there is how you cut this hair now to look as if you spoil the hair. Do you understand? But a good barber, when you look closely, you understand. Now look at where he has plenty hair. You see, he has a very short C cup. Can you see it? I didn't mean there is hair here now. We would have done it starting from like this. But we are going to make sure that this place is going to cover with this place. Do you understand, guys? So starting from here now to here, starting from here to here is going to be what? Total skin. Take your time to watch this video. I'm taking my time to explain it, and I'll practicalize it. You see it, because that is my duty. That is what I told you guys that this channel is all about. So after, from here to here, here is going to be total skin, so that it will be able to rhyme from here, this cup. Do you understand, guys? Then starting from here to here is going to be what? It's going to be on low cut level. Don't rush. Take your time to watch this haircut very well, so that you understand it. I'm taking it slow. So starting from here to here is going to be what? It's going to be what? On step one. Do you understand? Then we now use 1.5 to fade up this place to make it to rhyme before using step one to blend it, do the final blending. Do you understand? Because this hair is going to stop here. So because of how this hair is here now, we can't do mid fade, mid taper, or we can't do low taper. Do you understand? So it's going to be on high taper fade, so that it will rhyme well and cover here very well. Because if you watch the shape here, you can see that it has a very short shape. Can you see it? So let's dive into it. Please give me a thumbs up, comment, ask questions, please. And don't forget to share this video. Let other people to benefit from it. And don't forget to do what? To subscribe for more. So now let's dive into it. Like I said, it's going to be on skin level. You know how to set it. You join the blade together. You raise it up. You will watch some videos. They normally start it like this. But I love taking it up first before I skin it down. Why? Because I don't want my blade to weak. Do you understand? So once you have done the first guideline, which is skin, once you have done it, which is skin, and make sure your your customer is sitting comfortably. Do you understand? And make sure you brush down the hair. Then after that, the next thing you need to do now, here is going to be on what step? On low cut level. No guard, no step, just low cut level. You bring the gel downward, open the blade, you create the blend, and make sure you are brushing it. Watch it very well, please. I'm taking my time, because if you don't have patience, you can never be a barber. I always said this. You can never be a barber. Take your time. That data that you think that you waste on watching other stuff, use it and watch this thing that you want to learn. So after you have created the second guideline, the next one is going to be on what? Step 1. I told us this is step 1. It's going to be on step 1. It's going to be on step 1. You put your clipper, put it on what? Low cut level. Bring the gel down first before inserting it. Do you understand? So you take it like this. This taper fade is very, very simple, but if you don't know the procedure very well, you will not get it well. Can you see it? We are just starting, but it's already giving, right? See, the shape is coming out small, small. Can you see it? Can you see it? So make sure you brush it. So I told us that the third, the fourth guideline rather is going to be on what? Step 1.5. Look at it very well. This is what? 1.5. Can you see it? This is step 1.5. Still put it on low cut level. Bring the gel down first. Do you understand? Put it on low cut level. Then you flip it up to create the shape. Watch how my hand is moving. How watch I'm flipping it up. So once you flip it up and you see that it's not really removing that much, you put it on skin, close the blade, raise it up. Sorry guys, you close the blade, you raise it up like this. Can you see what we are doing, guys? Then after you have used 1.5 to create the shape that you want, you now put your what? Step 1 again. Put it on low cut level, bring the gel down. You turn your hand downward, you blend it downward like this. Hope you're understanding it, please. Anything that you don't understand, please comment. Ask me questions and I will answer you. So you bring it down like this. Can you see it? You bring it down like this. Can you see that the shape is coming already, right? Can you see this place now that has no hair? See, can you see that it's covering up now? Can you see it? Can you see very well? So after you bring it down like this, finish. You put it on skin. Raise the gel up, close the blade, you blend it down. Someone commented that why did I bring the see sometimes once you are watching a tutorial, mostly someone that took his time to create this kind of content for you, make sure you are listening to what he or she is saying, please. Someone that I did one control, the guy was asking how did I bring it down. I was like, were you not listening to what you were watching or what? So once you are watching something, make sure you are listening to what the teacher is saying, please. So you bring it down. Can you see that the shape is coming out, right? Can you see? That's why I told us that some person that don't know about barbing, they used to complain that this person does not know how to barb. You know, hair texture differs. You first understand hair texture before you start. So after you have done it like this, finish, you remove the step 1. Since you have gotten the shape, you remove the step 1, put it on normal low cut level. By bringing the gel downward, opening the blade, you brush it down like this. Can you see what I'm doing? You brush it down like this. Watch it very well. After you have brushed it finish, you turn your hand downward, you blend it. Don't go up again. Watch what I'm doing. Can you see the blending? Can you see the fade is coming out? Don't go up again. You blend it like this. You blend it. Please share this video. If you know that we are trying, please comment, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow. So after you have bring it down like this finish, you raise it up again. You fade off the lines. You fade off the lines. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Can you see that this place now that has no hair like that? Can you see that it's rhyming, right? So hair texturing is very, very important. First, understand the texture of the hair, how the hair grows, and you know how to do it. After you do it finish, you bring it down. So if you follow this procedure like this, you come and comment that thank you so much. Please, if I'm stingy, I won't be putting out these things here and explaining it. Some teachers on YouTube, they will not talk, they will just be cutting like that, using music, they will just be cutting. But it's not easy for someone to